Congressman, what would you say to the president if you could talk to him today?
Well, the first thing I would say is go visit the border, number one. Put a face to this humanitarian crisis to show that you care about this issue and not look detached, number one. Number two, change the 2008 human trafficking law. And in fact, I'll be filing some legislation pretty quickly, but if he wants to do an executive order, this is a perfect executive order that he ought to look at. And the other thing is work with Congress so we can help you fund the monies. I know he put a request of $3.7 billion. We got to look at it. We got to work with them in a bipartisan way.
And finally, bringing it back to what you suggested at the top, what were they thinking when they did that photo opportunity with the Colorado Governor Hickenlooper shooting pool and drinking beer?
You know, when I saw that, it just really floored me, because if he's saying he's too busy to go down to the border, but you have time to drink a beer, play pool, the optics, I mean, just the appearance means that he's not paying attention to this humanitarian crisis. If you ask, and I've talked to some of my border community leaders, they're very, very upset that he can drink a beer, he can play pool, but he doesn't have time to travel 242 miles from Austin down to the border, or 500 miles from Dallas down there. After he finishes the fundraising, and I thank him for that, but he can get on Air Force One and be down there at the border pretty quickly if he wanted to. But if he's going to say, you know, we're not going to do it, then he's the president. He can, decide not to go, but he really should go down there.